What I'm doing today would have been unthinkable only a week ago. The temperature outside is in single figures and I'm sitting here in the conservatory nice and cosy warm. So what's made the difference? We've had our ceiling insulated by Conservatory Insulation Specialists, and it's made a very dramatic difference to the conservatory. Like most of you watching this video, you're probably in a situation where your conservatory is unusable parts of the year because it's either too cold or too warm. I can certainly vouch for it being nice and warm in the winter now. Obviously you've still got a lot of heat loss for the glass, but you've got nothing like the heat loss that used to go through your double-walled polycarbonate ceiling. It's quite unusual sitting here now because you can actually feel the heat reflecting from the ceiling. You can tell I haven't got much insulation on top of my head, and it's really quite warm on top. So why did we choose the particular installation? We looked at all the possible options, from a proper roof to just changing the tiles on the roof, to the insulation system that Conservatory Insulation System is used. Problem, as you're probably all aware, with getting a proper roof put on your conservatory is that you've got to go through building regulations. It's expensive, and your conservatory may not even be built to withstand the weight of a proper roof. We looked at the other option, which is the replacement of the roof with tiles, or insulation tiles. And again, this was expensive, and we weren't particularly keen on having a brilliant white roof on top of the conservatory from the outside. So the system offered by Conservatory Insulation Specialists seemed to offer us the best of all worlds. We've got a nice clean interior of the conservatory. There's no effective loss of any light within the conservatory, or indeed the lounge, which is lit from the conservatory, or gets its natural light from the conservatory. And yeah, so how do we come to choose Conservatory Insulation Specialists? Well, again, we looked around a few of the suppliers in the area, and it was Conservatory Insulation Specialists that gave us the confidence that they were going to do a proper job, and indeed they did. From the quotation all the way through to the installation to the final paying the bill was all very easy and very well done, very professional. So we're very happy now with our conservatory, and we're looking forward to making use of it throughout the year now.